Well, hope you are doing good, fit and fine. Here, I will be telling you how you can create these types of amazing blended visual effects in Adobe Illustrator. The method is very simple, and with the use of a couple of tools in Adobe Illustrator you can master it. Following this method, you can create your own customized blended visual effects, which you can use to make animated backgrounds for your videos, brochures, and other graphic design projects. Let's get started. Using Curvature tool from the toolbar, create a random arc. Curvature tool is an amazing tool, and unlike pen tool, it uses to make more smooth paths using its perception. Hence there is a very less chance of making unsmooth paths unless you point anchors incorrectly. Now again, using Curvature tool, draw another random curve. Make sure to put anchors in a way so that it can have a perfect outcome, because these curves will determine the look of your visual effects. You can adjust the curves, move anchors, and angles so it can be perfectly smooth. Now, select the two curves, and make a blend of them using Blend tool from the toolbar. Just select Blend tool. Click on the one curve, and then click the other curve. Now, the two curves are blended, and you see we have another curve in between the twos. With the blended curve selected, double-click the Blend tool on the toolbar and you will have an options dialog box appears where you can change the settings to your desired requirements. Set specify distancing from the drop-down menu of spacing and set the distance as per your needs. I am using it a 4 points distance. You can increase it or decrease it to change the outcome you're having in the preview. Now that we have a good blended object, we will refine it to turn into a beautiful visual effect with more abstract curves using a simple method. Create another curve roughly using the same curvature tool. Select the new created curve and the previously blended curves, move to top menu, Object, Blend, replace spine. You can see, it turns into an amazing visual effect. The curves are looking really awesome. It will be even more lively when we implement colors into it and the final outcome will be astonishing. So, let's add colors to it. I've pre-built a gradient swatch for the background, which we will be using to save time. You can make your own colors based on your requirements. Drag the blended curves in front of it. Right-click, Arrange, Bring to Front. Adjust the curves to best fit the background by resizing and positioning. Now, change the stroke color of the top curve to white. And then change the stroke color of the bottom curve to white. Again, select the top curve and, from Transparency panel, set the blending mode to Overlay. Do the same with the bottom curve. Now, check out the amazing outcome of bright blended visual effects. That's really looking awesome. You can use it in backgrounds for your graphic design projects, or make the curves animated using After Effects to serve as your video's backgrounds. With slight changes to initial curves, rotation, spine curve, color changes, blending mode changes, you can make exciting variations of these visual effects and make your graphic designs more appealing and lively by using these. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you like it very much. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. And, of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel so you can get each and every graphic design tip, trick, tutorial, Creative Alice shares. You can also visit the website www.creativealice.com for free graphic design resources including logo designs, vector artworks, PSD mockups, and much more. I'll, for sure, meet you in the next video with another great tutorial. Till then, take care and have a great time.